Hey guys, this is my new shotgun. It's a Maverick 12 gauge bullpup. Gonna be taking some shots with it. Shotgun's a little bit hard to find. There are only so many made from what I've heard. Kind of rare. I've always wanted one. Supposed to shoot it for right-handers only. This will protect you right here, this guard. Right there, Maverick. Still has the stickers on it. I'm gonna see how she handles and see how the recoil is with it. You have your safety right here. Goes across. First 6 rounds I'm going to use for the hog target. There's 2 down there. Double out buckshot, 12 pellets. Hogs 5. Six. Recoil's not bad on it. Recoil's not bad on it. Alright guys, I'm back and finished shooting my Mossberg Bullpup shotgun. I like the way the shotgun handled. With the extra weight it has, the recoil was not bad, especially with birdshot. The sights, even though they are high, I hit the hog targets right where I aim using the sights. I didn't have to adjust them or anything. The sight up front is bulky, but it works. Hit these hog targets that were about 15 yards away. The pattern the double out buck made was pretty impressive, and just about kept the same pattern on the hog targets. The safety switch on the grip is pretty stiff, and when not shouldering the shotgun, it can cause it to malfunction. I tried to hip fire the shotgun and it was having problems ejecting that universal ammo down on the ground to the left. The buckshot in the middle and the low recoil red AA shells to the far right ejected just fine. The trigger feels long on the shotgun, but it's very positive and works great. There's a rod on the shotgun that goes from the trigger to the back of the shotgun, connected to the main trigger that's inside the chassis that makes the shotgun go off to the back. So that's why you have that kind of a long pull of the trigger, and then that grip safety on the back kind of makes it where you have to squeeze the grip pretty hard to make the shotgun shoot. The last I checked, these are pretty expensive to purchase today. On Gunbroker, they run from $600 to $800 starting bid. So really glad I run across this one. I've only seen a couple of these. This is the second one I've seen at an actual gun store. So glad I got this one before somebody bought it. This shotgun has also been in a couple of movies. RoboCop, Bullet, Predator 2. The first time I remember seeing the shotgun was in the movie Bullet. That had Mickey Rourke and Tupac Shakur. Tupac Shakur, this is the shotgun he used in the movie. He shot it once. And ever since then I always kind of wanted one. Ever since I seen it. I didn't know what it was at the time or what type of shotgun. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, and I'm going to be shooting this one again pretty soon because I want to do some more testing with it because I really enjoyed shooting it. So I would like to get back to the range and take some more shots with it. It's a very nice shotgun. I'm going to turn it around on the other side, the other way, so you can see the other side of the shotgun before I sign off. Alright guys, there it is. Very unique shotgun. And this is one I'm not going to get rid of. I'm going to keep this one in my collection. Alright guys, thanks for watching again, and like and subscribe, and let me know what your thoughts are on the shotgun. If you own one, your experience with them, if you like yours. Until the next time, thanks for watching.